We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Rklb stock. We are on the monthly time frame, price action, bullish green candle coming from an area of support. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows. We do have that midpoint in the middle. Let's also add second level lows to see if price action has retested this area of that second level lower lows that it broke, and see if it came back to retest on a lower time frame. Until then, let's take a look at the overall market. So we do have, if that market is going to drop down further, we do have a pattern at the top here. So we're making some invisible lines pushing up. So we do have that connection to that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we do have that double top. So there's a retest here. So something's going to identify as a retest as we walk down further. So we did have that double bottom, double top. Market did break that overall midpoint, pushed all the way down to new levels of lower lows, and now it came back to retest. Now, if this market doesn't break this area, this market can be rejected and drop down from a double top and a retest. So if this market is going to work its way up from this area, market can be identifying a first leg, price action, second last candle is a second leg. So think about price action still breaking up with the green candles, and then bearish red candles for the third leg, and the market pushed up for that fourth. We can receive a double top in that area, or that market just can consolidate between price action overall midpoint and price action second level lows. And we're still looking for that break as we walk down the market. On the weekly time frame, we do have price action as bullish green candle near the overall midpoint that we created on the monthly time frame. So there's a pattern at the bottom of price. Let's see what's going on. So as we walk down, it may identify as a triple bottom or a head and shoulders pattern. So I'm gonna show you guys what I see. Coming down in red, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a double bottom is coming from. So this doji and this doji can be identified as we walk down further as maybe a triple bottom or head and shoulders pattern. So it may look something like this. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and then market pushed up. So price can be identifying as we walk down the time frame as a triple bottom of head and shoulders pattern. But so far we do step double bottom retest, and the market pushed up, or double bottom, market pushed up. It broke the second level low, so we don't see the markets coming back to retest. We may identify it as we walk down the time frame, but remember, price action is near the overall midpoint. And if you think about it being this SR line being a zone, that's enough touch for that market to break back down. If not, we're looking for price to break that area. On the 4-hour time frame, so let's go back. So it did identify as a head and shoulders pattern at that lower price. So let's go back over it from the weekly time frame. So left shoulder, head, and we have that right shoulder. Okay, we did receive that head and shoulders pattern. Also, what came after it too was a retest, and the market pushed up. Okay, so market did break second level lows, and it's identifying a retest multiple times with this bearish red doji, and the market pushed up. The second last candle was a retest, and price action created some support with this bullish green candle, did a huge push. So we may be identifying another retest somewhere between the middle of that price action candle. So we'll see as we walk down the time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, price action is a bullish green candle, very small, okay, similar to a doji style. Price action is close to the second last candle. Price is above the previous candle. Body is price action wick is above the previous wick. Price action body is above the previous body, which this candle still can have momentum to grow. If not, if we receive a bearish red candle somewhere in this area, market can be coming back down and identifying that break retest for the market to work its way up to the new levels. 3-hour time frame, price action, bullish green, doji, second last candle, bullish green, small candle, more like a doji style, still small candles in the market. So we still waiting for that market to break this area of that zone. So market's into a area of consolidation with the price action, second last candle, summer third. On the 2-hour time frame, price action identified as a doji. So it's multiple pushes to that area. So we got a third last candle spiked up near that area, second last candle spiked at high, price action at that high. So identifying a triple top. Also prices in the range of side by side or close together, still identifying consolidation. So we're still looking for a pattern to form in that area from Forex pattern cheat sheet to work its way up in that direction. On the 1-hour time frame, still receiving the same thing. We do have a retest in that area. So the market broke, retest, pushed up. Second last candle is a retest, price action is the push, but still sitting as a doji. So market has spiked that area multiple times, helping that resistance, having a hard time to break. On the 45-minute, same as well. So there's a lot of retests. So hopefully when we walk down the time frame, we'll see that elevation for breaking retest, breaking retest, breaking retest. And that's like every other candle. And market's still hanging out that resistance line. Multiple touches now on the 45-minute time frame. Okay, now we can see that multiple retests, what it's looking like now with the bearish red candles. So what it did was, if this market's going to work its way up, first, second, third, fourth retest, and market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, having a very hard time to break. 3 pushes to that top, 4 pushes, 1, 2, 3, 5 pushes to that top. Okay, so it's multiple pushes. So market's having a hard time breaking that area. Now if the market's going to come down, if we receive a bearish red candle, after price action, near price action, the market's coming down from a double top. So we have multiple touches to that area in that 15-minute time frame. So overall, first, second, third, fourth, retest, and market just sat right there side by side. So market's identifying a triple top. And if it's respected with the bullish green candle, markets will work its way up. Price action is a doji on that 15-minute time frame. And on the 5-minute time frame, we do have that pattern that's trying to form. Multiple pushes to that top still. Price action is a doji, indecisive. For this market to push, you want to see price action engulf the 6th to last candle in the market, at least close out above this area, or a candle that look very dominant that's going to push up in that area, or something like a break and retest of that zone for that the market to push up further. On a 3-minute time frame, price action, bullish green doji, long wick down to the bottom, primary area support. At that low, we do have a pattern. First, second, third, second last candle is a push, so that's a W. And then price action is a retest. So we're still waiting for price to identify and see what it's going to do, to see if it's going to break up into that zone. If not, if we receive a bearish red candle, close out, market can work its way down. On the 1-minute time frame, now we can see it much clearer. So let's draw it out. First, second, third, fourth. So we have that double bottom. Market came all the way back down to retest, and the market pushed once. Okay, market did break that midpoint of price action high and low. So we're going to see if that market is going to eventually break this SR line to retest to work its way up. So it will look like this. First, second, third, and markets work its way up. If not, 1, 2, 3, 4, double top. And please review breakout and retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Rklb